We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering.
Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So today is Saturday, January 16th, and we're going to do some deep cleaning. I decided to clean behind my stove, my refrigerator, and under my couch. Those are some of the messiest areas in my home, besides from under in my beds and stuff, but in my closet. But besides that, I haven't cleaned these areas in a really long time, and I wanted to tackle it. So I hope this video motivates you to clean your areas as well. The products I'll be using is Method antibacterial cleaner, the Method wood cleaner, Clorox, and some water and vinegar to clean up some little spots on the couch. But I hope this video motivates you guys, so let's start cleaning.
Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign.
So this area is where I cook a lot, so food and grease and stuff tend to get in between those crevices. So I wanted to degrease and get those areas. And also, whenever they renovated this apartment, they didn't finish behind, I guess because nobody's seeing it. So you see all the drywall debris, and some of the drywall wasn't even done, even if you could see the bottom of the tile wasn't even completed. So it's under the stove, it doesn't bother me. So now I'm wiping off the side of the stove, of course, where everything drips, falls when you're cooking. So I just wanted to clean this up. I use the Method antibacterial cleaner to address these areas.
So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign.
Of course, if you're new to my channel and you enjoy this type of content and other content I have on my channel as well, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, introduce yourself. So I just want to get to know you better. Now I've moved on behind my refrigerator. As you can see, it's really icky, nasty, dirty, everything you could name that's nasty under the sun. I'm gonna spray some Clorox, just to sanitize it and degrease this area. And then I did use some half water and half vinegar to clean up this area. It's like really icky and nasty. It's behind the fridge. Things roll under the fridge. Things fall under the fridge, so I wanted to address this area as well. If you notice at the bottom that the drywall isn't finished or completed in this area as well. So if you see that little dark spot in the corner, it's not dirt, it's just exposed drywall that they didn't finish behind the fridge. And the only way to cover that is to paint it, and it's not even worth it because it's behind the fridge. So I did wipe off the wall. There was a little bit of grease splashed on there, a little bit of food debris. So I was able to wipe that off, and that pretty much cleaned up behind the wall. So behind the refrigerator is nice and clean. So now I'm going to wipe down the stainless steel with some Wiseman polisher. This usually shines up my appliances pretty well, and I love this product. I will be using the Method antibacterial cleaner to wipe down my cabinets. As you guys can see, they're dark espresso. They show stains and spots a lot, so I do have to wipe them down every week just to keep them looking good. So the kitchen is all done, and I've moved on to the living room. As I said previously, I'm going to vacuum my sofa, clean up under the cushions and under the sofa as well, because that area tend to collect dust, dirt, garbage, spoons, forks, knife, everything under the sun goes under this couch. So I wanted to get this area clean. I haven't done this in probably couple of months. I think the last time I did it was 6 months ago, so it's due time. So I just want to tackle this area and get it nice and clean, so you know, the living room feel and smells fresh. I did use some water and vinegar just to clean up some spots on the couch. As you guys know, it is the living room and the couch is used a lot, so you know, traffic is really heavy, but this material can keep up with the heavy traffic, you know, from spilling food or drinks on the couch. The only thing that I wish I've done was scotch guard it. I wish I've done that when I just got my couch, but I thought because I have the 5-year protection that will, you know, cover it, but you know how that story went. So I just wanted to clean up under the couch. As you guys can see, you know, everything gets under there. It's yucky, so I wanted to clean this area up. So I mixed some water and vinegar just to wipe the floors, you know, just to sanitize it, make it smell fresh, get up some of that gunky stuff off the floor from candy or food. And now I'm going to use some Clorox just to sanitize this area as well, you know, to make it nice and fresh under the couch. I'm also going to use the vinegar and a little bit of bleach to wipe down the baseboard because there is some dust and some, you know, debris on there as well. And then I'm going to do some spot cleaning on the wall as well. I do want to paint this wall, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to wipe it down, and that, you know, will take care of most of the spots on the wall. If you guys remember, I did have a big old vacuum, so I got rid of it and got this nice cordless vacuum I purchased from Amazon. So far so good. It's been doing the job. It's very versatile. It is so easy to use. It's very light and I'm really enjoying it. Not only that, because I have such a small space, the other vacuum was just too big, and this vacuum is really, you know, small and it's compact, so I'm able to navigate the small areas in my apartment really well, and I really love this vacuum. I am going to do a review on it. I'm going to use it a little bit more just to, you know, get used to it, to see some of the pros and cons of it, so that I'm able to give you guys a better and a complete review of this vacuum.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that.
So I'm gonna use this sprayway cleaner. It's a glass cleaner to clean my glass, you know, the coffee table, bar cart, and also on the TV stand. I love this cleaner. I picked it up in Publix. I wish I had known about it before, but I finally found it. I'm introduced to it and I'm loving it. So if you're looking for a really good glass cleaner, the sprayway cleaner is really good and it's really effective.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too.
So my dining room, I've pretty much done most of the cleaning here. It doesn't need any deep cleaning per se, but I just wanted to do a quick wipe down, a quick clean and vacuum, and then I'm going to wipe my floors, and that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys were motivated. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, if you enjoy this content, or if you made it this far, you watched all the way. Kudos to you. You're the real MVP.